Alright everyone, we are back at Bridge Street Town Center here in Huntsville, Alabama. And earlier this year I had seen a little bit of construction happening around this area, around where the escalators and the elevator are. So let's see what kind of changes there may be. What on earth? Where'd the escalators go? Oh my goodness, they just uninstalled the escalators. My goodness. Wow. Elevator's still the same. So like that. Yeah, those escalators are gone. In its place, just stairwell. Wow. Did not expect that at all. So we'll go back down. That ladder doesn't work. That one does. This comes as a huge shock to me. Although those escalators did break down a lot. Of course, it's always cheaper to just have stairs, or as we like to call them, man-powered elevators. So yeah, guess that means it's so long to the escalators at Bridge Street. All that's left is a lonely elevator. And it looks like the call button may have been replaced at some point. Maybe it quit working because of the rain or vandalism. Because it's supposed to be vandal resistant. Who knows? Yeah, because it looks a little bit lower. Maybe it's like for handicapped people, easier for them to press the button. But yeah, no more escalators in this part of the mall. And that'll be it.